Today we're making meatballs. I've got over here 600 grams of beef mince. I'm going to spice it now. Half of teaspoon of salt. I'm holding back a little bit. A teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper. And half of teaspoon of dry garlic. And I'm going to add some thyme. I've got fresh thyme. I just got over here leaves. Sprinkles it. And a small onion, very finely chopped. All this we're going to mix together. I'm going to add a teaspoon of breadcrumbs, tablespoon. And a little bit of milk. Combine them together. Now I'm going to add 1 egg. And going to mix for quite a bit, for a little while. Everything combined nicely. Now we're going to leave this for half an hour for spices to combine together. I'm wetting my hands because with wet hands it would be more easier to work with mince. And taking roughly like this, that amount of mince, roll it around and make it shape of what kind of shape is this? A little bit flatten up. And I've got over here breadcrumbs. I'm going to dip in the breadcrumbs, coat from both sides. And I've got 7 of them. You can make more smaller, maybe a little bit more bigger. Now we're going to fry them. There we go. We will fry on a medium heat and placing our cutlets in a fry pan. We will fry for 5 minutes each side. I'm going to flip them one more time. And now I'm going to bring heat to low and going to put lid over, and we're going to simmer for another 3 minutes, and our cutlets, meatballs, will be ready. Meatballs ready. There we go. Nice and juicy inside, crispy outside. Thyme smells very good. I like thyme in the cutlets. Enjoy it.